Many of us, they have such a problem. They wake up with neck pain, stiffness, muscle pain. So the most common cause is the pillow. So what I did, I searched in Amazon the best orthopedic pillow. So I found many products, okay, but this product was very interesting because they have discount and different shapes. So I ordered, and in a few days I got it. So we have to try it. Finally, I got the product from Amazon, from Novimed. Okay, we have to open it. So there is a brochure from Novimed. We will see what is inside. There is instruction to use. So it is not like other pillows. And I think because there is a lot of curves. So let's see the pillow itself. So from the material, it is very soft, okay? On the skin, it is very, very, very soft. It's also, as mentioned, it is anti-allergic. It's not allergic at all. So there is a lot of curvature here in the middle for the neck, and elevation here in both sides. This is for the shoulder, and here it's a little bit depression for the head. The thickness is very good on the shoulders. So another thing in the back, there is a zipper here, so we can get it for washing. The last thing, we have to try it and see the feedback. Really, I feel good. There is no restriction. My neck, my shoulder muscles, it's okay. I don't feel any stiffness. I don't feel any muscle issue. It's really a good product. I advise you to get it.